Hello empowered champions, welcome to another video. So if this is the first time that you're visiting this channel, welcome. My name is Vivette, and on this channel we talk about ways that we can make money, we can save money, we can invest money, and to achieve financial freedom. So in this video I want to talk about some grocery shopping hacks that can save us some money. All right, so if you see me looking down, guys, I wrote them down because I don't want to forget any. All right, so in this video, I have 6 grocery shopping hacks that you can use, which I use in order to save some money in my pocket. All right, so number 1, you're gonna create a budget. So what you have to do is to plan. Yeah, you can't just create the budget just like that. You have to think about look at what your income is and identify all your expenses, right? And including in that expense, you're gonna factor in your grocery. So you will budget depending on however you get your income, whether it's like weekly, fortnightly, for the month, then you will factor how much you're gonna allocate for groceries. So you have to sit down and you have to plan and you have to identify everything that you can come up with a figure or roundabout figure as to how much you will budget for groceries. Number 2, you're gonna look into your cupboard, you're gonna look into your pantry, you're gonna look in your refrigerator to identify the items that you need when you're gonna purchase them at the supermarket or wherever you shop, right? Because there are too many times when we don't create a list or identify the items that we need. And when we go to the supermarket and we purchase things, we just pick up stuff and I say, oh, I think I need this, I think I need that. Maybe I think I need this, or so and so said they wanted this, and I don't remember if I have it. So please check your pantry, check your refrigerator, check your cupboard or wherever you store your groceries. Ensure that you do not buy things that you already have, because at the end of the day we want to save some money. And if you want to reduce your debt and to curb your spending, then you have to ensure that you practice these tips before you go to the supermarket or wherever you go to shop. All right, number 3, is to create that list. So once you have looked in your pantry, your refrigerator, your cupboard, wherever you store your groceries, then you create your grocery list, right? So you identify the items that you need, the quantities, and you create your shopping list, right? Number 4, do not, and I say do not, go to the supermarket on an empty stomach. Guys, can I tell you? Yes, that's the time when you go to the supermarket and especially you pass the pastries and the smell, oh Lord, and the rotisserie chicken. Guys, please, I'm begging you. I am a victim of it, so I'm telling you, please, before you go to the supermarket, just ensure that you full your belly or you eat something before that you don't hungry, because that's the time when you're hungry and you go to the supermarket. That's the time when you see all the pastries and you smell all of those nice smell. Your belly start make a lot of noise and everything gone haywire. So guys, before you go to the supermarket, just full your belly. Just try eat something that you're not that hungry, and so that you will just stick to your budget. So whatever you have on your list, that's what you're gonna work with. All right, guys, because we want to save some money, right? We want to save, and we are working with a budget, and especially when you don't want to be having extra debt, right? So you want to save some money. So if you can pay, like pay down on a debt that you have, or you can save the money and you can invest the money. All right, so just ensure that you eat something before you go grocery shopping. All right, guys. Number five, or hold on, number five. Sorry, yes, number five is to try to buy things in either bulk or wholesale. Normally, wholesale meaning like three things. You normally get it cheaper that way, right? So, if some persons, depending on the price, some persons can buy bulk, like especially for the month, you can buy things in bulk. It's a little cheaper, right, than when you purchase one item. Or if you can't buy in bulk, you can buy like three. Because what I notice that when I go to the supermarket and I look at the item, right, and what the cost is for one, right? When you work, and if you buy three separately at that same price, right, you'll pay more. But if you buy three, you'll get it at a reduced price, and it will work out cheaper. So I will encourage you to try to see if you can buy in bulk, or you can buy like three items and you get it normally at a reduced it's normally at a reduced price. And you can also, if it is possible, well, I know for persons in Jamaica, I know if you shop at the, like the wholesales, it's normally cheaper than in the supermarket. There are certain things you cannot get at the wholesale, right? And you have to go to the supermarket. But if it is possible, if it is possible, try to buy at the wholesale, because I realize that sometimes at the wholesale the prices are a little cheaper than the supermarket. So I encourage you to try that if you can. If you can't, then you just have to go to the supermarket. But just try to see and match the prices and see if it works out for you, right? And the last hack, last tip that I want to say to you guys, please, if it is possible, if it is possible, please don't carry your children to the supermarket, please, because honestly, your grocery bill, you're going to burst your budget. People, when you carry your children to the supermarket, oh, mommy, I want this, mommy, I want that, I want this, I want that. People, I know, I try my best not to carry them to this, because I realize that every time I bring them to the supermarket, I end up spending more than what I budget for. And if I want to try to reduce my spending and to keep within my budget and to stick to the grocery list, then I have to try to not to carry them. So if it is possible, because there are some persons who do not have anyone or any responsible person to take care of their children or their child while they go grocery shopping, so you have to carry them with you. That is fine, that is okay. You don't have a choice, so you have to do that, and we have to ensure that our children safety comes first, right? But I will suggest that you try that, right? Try, if you have a responsible person to keep your child or children with, do that, and go your grocery shopping. Make sure you eat something before you go to grocery shopping, and see if it works out when you stick to the list, right? Either you can write down your grocery list, right? And on a paper, some persons do it on their phone, and stick to it when you go to the supermarket, right? Because I can tell you, when you carry your children, mommy, mommy, I want this, I want that. And when you go to the cashier, you have to be careful that you can't pay for everything, right? So just try that hack. All right, and the bonus one is try to see how best you can do meal planning, right? When you plan your meals, it saves you time, and it also saves you money. So it saves you money in the sense where you don't have to be like going to the supermarket like within the middle of the week or 2 times for the week to buy something. Try to do like a meal plan or meal prep. So you will say, all right, for the week you're gonna do this, you're gonna do that for each day. Just kind of write it down as to what you're gonna prepare each day for the week, and that also help you to save money, right? And it also save you time, especially if you like work out and you come in the evening, and sometimes you don't know, you say, boy, I don't know what to look after and all of that. But when you do meal planning from like the weekend, and you say, okay, Monday this is what we're gonna eat, Tuesday this is what we're gonna eat, and you ensure that when you go to the go to the supermarket, you ensure they buy those things so that you can plan, you can prepare those meals during the week, right? Or just, or you can do them on the weekend. Just start doing certain things that you can do, so that in the evenings when you come home, it would be a little easier for you, right? So you don't have to do everything from scratch. That will take up a lot of time, and sometimes we're tired, especially if you have to sit in the traffic for a long time, and by the time you reach home you're so tired, right? So just try to see how best these hacks, these little tips can help you in your grocery shopping to reduce your spending, so that we can save, we can invest, and that we can achieve financial freedom, because that's what we talk about all the time on this channel. We want to share ideas, we want to share ways that we can make some money, save some money, we can invest, and we can enjoy life on our terms and how we want it. All right, guys. So if you like this content, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the videos. Please share the videos, guys, and leave a comment, because when you do that, it helps the channel a lot, and it will be YouTube will send it to more persons who like this content, so it will help the channel. So please, guys, I want to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, so please help me to reach there. So just, you can check out the description to see anything that interests you. I sometimes I leave things in the description box that can help you to on your journey, either to make money, save money, and stuff. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Please, anything that I say on this channel is from my personal experience of what I have researched and what I've seen that has been helpful to other persons. So please subscribe, please like, please share, and leave a comment down below. Tell me, guys, what you would like to see me showcase on this channel. That will help you, because this channel is not for me, it's for all of us, so that we can learn. And if you have any tips or any ideas, you can leave them in the comments, and we all can learn from it. All right, guys. So take care, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, everyone.